Are you tired of feeling like you're losing a chunk of your crypto gains to hidden fees? Ever wonder how much you're really paying when you trade on platforms like Bitwala? It's a question every smart investor asks, and the answer can make a massive difference in your long-term success. In the world of crypto, fees are a necessary evil. Exchanges have to make money somehow, but the fee structures can be complex and sometimes, honestly, a little confusing. They vary based on what you're doing, buying, selling, withdrawing, or even using a card. And if you're not paying attention, those small percentages can add up faster than you think, eating away at your profits one transaction at a time. This is why digging into the details is so important. Knowing exactly what you're paying is the key to maximizing your returns and making the most of your crypto journey. And today, we're going to get to the bottom of the Bitwala trading fee structure. So, let's break it down. When it comes to trading on Bitwala, the fee is refreshingly simple. They charge a flat fee of 1% per trade, along with a €1 base fee. This is a crucial number to remember. Whether you're buying or selling Bitcoin, Ether, or any other virtual asset they support, you can expect to pay that 1% fee. This means if you buy €100 worth of Bitcoin, you'll be charged €1 plus a €1 fee, so you'll actually receive about €98 worth of BTC. And the same goes for selling. It's a transparent model, which is a big plus. Unlike some platforms that have complex tier systems based on your trading volume, Bitwala keeps it straightforward. Now, that's just for trading. Bitwala is more than just a trading platform. It's a neobank that integrates crypto with traditional banking services, including a Visa debit card. This means there are other fees to be aware of beyond just buying and selling. For instance, while a standard physical card order costs €9.99, getting a virtual card is just 99 cents. When you use that card, paying with euros is free, but if you opt to use crypto, you'll be hit with a 20 cents plus 1% fee. And if you need to withdraw cash from an ATM, that's a €2 plus 1% fee. These might seem like small charges, but they are important to factor into your strategy if you plan on using Bitwala for everyday spending. Bitwala also charges for certain deposits and withdrawals. While virtual asset deposits are free, and euro deposits via bank transfer are also free, a fiat withdrawal to a bank account will cost you €1.99. These are the kinds of charges that can easily be overlooked if you're not careful. Overall, Bitwala's fee structure is designed to be simple and easy to understand. The 1% trading fee is a fixed rate, which is great for new traders who want to avoid the complicated calculations of tiered systems. However, it's also on the higher end compared to some major exchanges that offer fees well under 1% for larger volumes. So, for frequent traders or those moving big money, that 1% can really add up. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.